Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 in a high country trim and powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, vent shades on the windows, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet right there. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. And you have a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 65,811 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip A and B information, your fuel range, oil life, fuel economy, fuel filter life, engine hours, transmission fluid, trailer brake, off-road status, diff fluid status. Then you can go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your to the other side, to the left, where you have your cruise controls with pre-collision assist, heated steering wheel, which is always nice to keep your fingers warm, and your hands-free phone and radio controls on this side and on the back of the steering wheel. Moving to the left, where you have your trailer brake controller and your 4x4 controls, as well as your lighting controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable, I believe, so you have plenty of options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, and then your messages. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats so you can stay comfortable. Moving down further, you have your power adjustable pedals, your traction control shut off, your cargo box lights, park assist sensor shut off, lane keeping system, and your diesel exhaust brake. And then looking at your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving down into your center console area, where you have two USBs, two 12-volt power outlets, and a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. Then you have this deep cubby here, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with a wireless charging pad on top, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. And inside this large compartment, you have a ton of room for all your stuff, two USBs, auxiliary, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, give us a call at 250-563-8111. Visit us at Prince George Ford or pg4.ca and have a nice day.